Hey traders, get stock for a strategy that'll rock your world. You'll use a free turbocharge indicator to master the best settings and rules for nailing your trade entries and exits. This killer tool crushes it in multiple markets and time frames, so you can personalize it to fit your trading vibe. Forget trying to guess when trends will reverse. That's a tough gig. We'll keep it real by riding the trend and reducing risk. Get ready to rev up your trading game and see these profits roll in. The secret sauce of this strategy will be using the DIY Custom Strategy Builder, a powerful free indicator that can grab right now from TradingView's indicator section. This baby is like a trading Swiss Army knife, packing multiple tools into one easy-to-use package. Get your hands on it and watch your trading game level up big time. Our mission? Unlocking the full potential of the DIY Custom Strategy Builder by finding the perfect settings for epic trading success. Don't sweat it. We'll guide you through every step to turn this incredible indicator into a money-making machine. Alright, let's talk about how we'll work together. With the signal indicator section, we'll find top-notch trades, and the confirmation indicator part will help us double-check those trades. And in the switchboard, we'll see visible indicators, which are chosen to fit your trading style. And the settings of the indicator, let us customize them to make your strategy stand out. Together, we'll create a solid strategy that'll boost your trading game and set you on the path to success. We're kicking off with a bang using Ichimoku Cloud as our signal indicator, but don't worry, we've got more strategies up our sleeves with other indicators. So make sure to subscribe to TradeGenius channel for more. Today, we'll zoning in the EMA filter as our confirmation indicator, and we'll turn off the others for now. Next, we'll hit the switchboard. That's where you decide which indicators appears on your chart. For now, let's roll with EMA and the Ichimoku. Now time to customize the signal and confirmation indicators. First, enable MA4 and MA5 for EMA, setting them to 50 SMA and 200 SMA in your favorite colors. Then for the Ichimoku, leave the Ichimoku settings as they are for now. They are good to go. Now you're all set to trade. Here's your game plan for a long trade. First, check that the market's moving up. Look for the SMA 50 line above the SMA 200 and the price above all moving averages. Next, wait for the green light, a long signal from our trusty DIY custom strategy builder. So if everything lines up, it's time to make your move and open the buy trade and get in on the action. Once you're in, protect your investment by setting a safety net, a stop loss just below the recent market low or moving average line. Ready to cash out? Lock in those sweet profits by setting a take profit target 1.5 times the distance from your entry and stop loss level. Now you're aiming for a solid risk to reward ratio. And here's a roadmap for a successful short trade. First, confirm that the trend is heading down. You'll see the SMA 50 line below the SMA 200 and the price hanging out below all the moving averages. Next, keep an eye out for a short signal from our handy DIY custom strategy builder. That's your extra confirmation to make a move. If all the stars align and both conditions check out, it's time to pounce, open that sell trade and get in the game. Once you're in the trade, manage your risk by setting a stop loss just above the recent swing high or moving average line. This helps protect your investment. And when it's time to collect those profits, set a take profit target 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss levels. Now you'll have a solid risk to reward ratio so you can trade with confidence. So you're now equipped with the tools to ride the trend and score big profits. Stay tuned for more game-changing strategies by checking out the recommended video on your screen. Keep crushing it, traders.